Glam fam, and welcome back to our channel. Here I have a few things that I'll be using in this DIY, and let me say I'm so excited for it. I hope it turns out the way that I see it in my mind. So for this DIY, first I have this piece of wall art. You see the little bunnies and everything. It's for Easter, but this is not an Easter DIY. Here's a skew. Okay, so we'll be using this. And this is a box, and it's made to look like books. And I've used it in a previous DIY, so if you haven't seen it, please go check it out. Especially if you like the look of glam books as decor and don't like to destroy books to make that look. So yeah, go check it out. I'll link it below in the description. So for this DIY, we're going to need one of these. Here I have another box, very similar to this one. You're going to need two of these, okay? And again, all of this is from Dollar Tree. Here's the skew. Let me give you the skew from this one. This one was $5. We're going to also use this box from Dollar Tree. But here's the skew. Again, we will need two of these. So the first thing I want to do is to go ahead and take it out the plastic, of course. And I'm going to remove this bow. If the paper comes up, that's good too. But the box is a little too long. So what I want to do is cut part of it off. Now I have a miter box, but I can't find it. And I was about to go to Home Depot and buy a new one. But I decided against spending more money on that and decided to try a new way. So I'm just going to take this little piece here. You can use a ruler too. So what I want to do is just cut this part off right above this line. So I'm just going to line this up and score it. Same thing here. Now I'll go on the other side and score it. And this is the saw that I'll be using. I actually looked for the Dollar Tree saws. They didn't have any, so I did buy this one from Home Depot a few weeks ago. Now what I'm going to do is just lay this right inside the score that I made and start sawing away. It's going to take me a while, but it'll be done. Okay, now the back of the box is loose, so I plugged up my hot glue gun so that I can go in and reinforce this. Although it's sturdy, I still want that back to stay on there, okay? But while my hot glue gun is heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart. Now, what I wanna do is, I wanna remove this. Maybe we'll use this in another DIY. I also need to remove these hooks, so let me grab a screwdriver for this. Okay, I have this teeny tiny screwdriver. It comes in the box with the string lace. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove these hooks. We are going to reuse these same hooks, but in a different place. Let's go ahead and reinforce the back panel with some hot glue. Now I want to go ahead and put my hooks back on, but I want to put them upside down right here. So I'll put the other one on this side off camera and then come back. Alright, so both of my brackets are on the back. Put this over like this. So now I'm going to take my large box and I want to glue this directly in the center. Now we'll take one of our small boxes and we're going to glue it down right beside this one. So we'll have to put glue on the side and on the bottom. Make sure that stays in the center. Press them together. Make sure this is flush. You might have a little bit of seepage from the glue. Now we're going to take our small box. We need to remove the label. And we're going to glue it right next to this one. Now put this right against this one. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So this is what we have. So I'm going to allow the glue to set up. Once it sets up, I'm going to spray paint the entire thing silver. Then I'll come back and move on to the next. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I'm going to cover the majority of the shelf. I painted the shelf silver because there still might be parts where you'll be able to see it. So with it being silver, it won't stand out. And then not only that, I have a blank slate to work with. So this is what we have. So now the first thing I want to do is start decorating it. Look at these large sheets of mirror tile. And it came with 2 sheets. So I am going to definitely link these sheets into the description. I think these are cheaper than the ones I normally get. And I'm getting a whole lot more. This is the box that I normally get. Look at that. And it's not much in there. So yeah, I think I'm getting double for less. I'll link the mirror tiles in the description. I'm also going to use some of this diamond bling with the adhesive on the back. Okay, so let's get started. I think I'm starting with the mirror tile in the center. So I'm just going to see how many mirrors I need. This is going to be right in the center. Now because I have the paint, I'm going to add a little bit of the Dollar Tree Fix-All adhesive to make sure it sticks well. For the next one, we are going to use some of this bling. I'm going to add a little bit more Fix-All. So I'm going to go ahead and add a piece on this side, just like this, off camera, and then come back. Okay guys, so this is what we have. So naturally, I'm going to go with mirror tiles here, more of the diamond bling here, and then more mirror tile. So let's do that. I'm going to complete one side on camera, the other side I'll do off camera. Now I haven't made up my mind about what I'm going to do here just yet. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this side off camera. Okay, so I went ahead and added some of the diamond bling here. Now I'm going to do it on this side. And then we'll go ahead and start decorating the rest of it. So now I'm going to take some mirror towel and go all the way around the top, in the front, and on each side. This is the back that'll be against the wall, so I won't need any decoration back there. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Then we'll come back in and decorate the sides as well. So now I'll go ahead and add some mirror right in the center. All right, so let's go ahead and add some more of the Fix All glue. I'll go ahead and finish this side and then put some on each side of the shelf and then come back. Alright, so this is what we have on this side. Look at that, isn't it pretty? So I'm going to go ahead and do this to the other side and then decide what I'm going to do on the bottom of each one of these. Okay? So I'll do that and then come back. Okay, I also went ahead and added the same design on the bottom. And now I'll do it here on the top as well. Okay, so this is what we have. I think I'm going to go ahead and add mirror towel on these squares as well. Okay, so I'm thinking about putting mirror towel here or crushed glass, I'm not sure yet. But meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and put some mirror towel on top of here. I also have these plastic mirror sheets. And you can find this on Amazon, but I was lucky enough to find this at Goodwill. So I'm going to cut this. It's going to go right in the center of the shelf. So we're going to do that a little bit later. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and put some mirror towel on top. Okay, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and go around the rest. Okay, so now I'm done putting the mirror towel around the top. And later I think I'll go in and put some on the inside as well. But first, I want to go ahead and cut this piece of plastic with the mirror on it. So what I need to do is measure and then cut it. I'm going to measure just inside. Now I'm going to line it up with the edge of the table and pop it. Hopefully it'll break. Just like so. And let's see if it fits on the inside. Perfect. So now I do the second piece and then come back. Okay, so I had to trim the edges a little bit more. Now they both fit directly in the center. So what I need to do now is add some glue and remove the protective covering. So and put it right on the inside. And that's what we have. Now I'll add mirror towels inside of the shelf off camera. To get on with the video so I can get it out to you guys, I decided to add crushed glass as well. I've already done one side. Here I have some Mod Podge and I'm going to put the Mod Podge here. And I'm being very generous. If some seeps onto your mirror towel, just wipe it off. Another option is to add more mirror towel here. You can do some of the Dollar Tree bling if you want to, save on money. There's so many different ways. You can just leave it painted. You can add glitter to it. It's up to you. So many different things that you can do. But for me, I decided to add the crushed glass because I love the look of crushed glass in mirror. but I'm sure you guys know that. I put down this paper in order to catch the crushed glass. Here's the crushed glass. And I'm just going to put some right on top. So I'm going to let this sit for a while before I shake off the excess. Now I want to go on this side. And this is what it looks like after the very first layer. So now I'm going to take my smaller paintbrush and just go in and put more of the Mod Podge down wherever I see the crushed glass is needed. Now just go in with more crushed glass. Let it dry. Then I'll come back and seal it with the Mod Podge and water mixture. And I think I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of glitter just to give it more sparkle. Once everything dries, it'll be completely done. And here's my beautiful glam decor. This is one way to use it. You can use it on your mantle, as a standing shelf, but the only thing you have to make sure that you balance each side out so it doesn't fall. Secondly, here, you can use it as a centerpiece. Here I have it decorated with some of my candle holders, but you can display other things that'll fit on it. And finally, the main reason I made it, my wall shelf. And it's absolutely stunning. Here I had to add a piece onto the back of it to level the shelf out. So remember this when you build yours and if you're going to use it as a wall shelf. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. I really need for you all to start liking these videos. This really helps my channel a lot. Also, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.